As I'm sure you can imagine, we're all feeling a little bit rough this morning. It was a good night though. I also ate alpaca last night, which I'm not sure how I feel about, but it was really nice to be fair. Wakey wakey, Michael. How are you feeling today, Michael?
A little sleepy.
Yeah?
After the lines, I'm not in line.
No?
No.
You're going to try some cocoa leaves now?
Just
Yeah.
Yeah,
we've had some already. Yeah,
let's go for it.
Let's do it again.
Right.
Background. There's a volcano erupting. That's cool.
I think you need more than that.
Here's Michael trying the cocoa leaves.
So do you have to fold it up?
These animals, guys, need to drink water every day. That's very different compared to animals.
Put it into a parcel.
It doesn't look, but over here there are filtrations.
That's
There are some wetlands that we will see later. There are lagoons.
It's a joke or the
The system is full of water. It's a lagoon. After rain.
Do you like the taste? Do you like it, Henny?
Is it still in there?
Love it. Hey Mickey, you're so fine, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey Mickey,
Hey,
Mickey. Hey Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey Mickey. Few alpacas. Nice these. Need to get a selfie with one of these in the next couple of days. This is going to run well, Ben, I can see it.
Right, I'm going to pull over.
There you go.
Sam's wearing my shirt!
Today's been another mega day. I absolutely loved it. It's been brilliant. Started off with a bad hangover, so I thought it was going to be a nightmare. But we had a 4-hour bus ride. Tried some cocoa leaves. They taste a bit grim. Makes your mouth tingle a bit. But you can feel it. It's supposed to get you used to the altitude. So we'll be having plenty more of them. How high we've been today, you can feel it. You can feel the air's thinner. When you're walking, you feel a bit more out of breath, but we'll get used to it. We went up and saw some volcanoes. Got a selfie with one that was erupting a little bit. That was cool. Enjoyed that. Then we went to, we saw some alpacas and llamas. I went to some hot springs, which was also cool. It was nice to sit down and relax for a bit. And then whilst we were there, we could see some people doing ziplining. So we asked the tour guide if it was possible for us to do it. He sorted it out, and we did that. Worked out at like £12.50 or something like that, and you did 3 zip lines, and it was it was class. I absolutely loved it. I mean, I've done it before, but it was good to do it again. Because when I did it before, it was really safety conscious. This here, I don't think they really asked. You just have this harness on you, clip you in, and you're away. But yeah, it's nice. Tomorrow we're going to go and see some condors. I'm sure we'll get up to some shenanigans tonight, but we've got to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Apparently there's a video, well there is a video, because I know I've seen it, of me pole dancing last night, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to put it on air yet. It might just be one that gets sent to mates, because it's pretty embarrassing, but I don't know, anyone who knows me knows I'm not really bothered about things like that. So, laters. The dog bites me.
Oh, su cabeza changada.